Aloha folks, this is Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and today's lick of the day was a little bit different. It's in C, and it's kind of like one of those open string licks. I wouldn't call it campanella because I'm playing a low G, but it is along those lines. And what it does is it incorporates a bunch of open strings while I'm doing, playing through a C scale. So I'm going to play through the lick, and then we'll go ahead and break it down piece by piece. Alright, so let's look at what that is. So we're starting on the 8th fret of the first string, and we go to the 12th fret of the second string. Then we play the open first string, 8th fret of the second string, and then I play the 10th fret of the first string. So that part goes. Then I go back to 12 with my pinky on the second string. And I go 12 and an 8 on the first. And I do that. When I hit 12, I go back to open, 8 on the second string, 10. Okay, so from here, I go back to 12, and instead of hitting that 8 again, now I'm down on 7. I change my fingers. I use my ring finger. And I play 7, 8 on the next string, open, and that's open first. And then I go down to the 3rd fret of the second string, and then I'm here on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. So it goes. So after I did that, I'm hitting the open string on the top. Then I do this pedaling lick. So 5, 7, and then 8. And I'm playing this in between. So 5, the 4th string, 7, 4th string, 8. I play this lick afterwards. So what that is starting here on the 3rd fret, 7th fret of the second string, open, 3rd fret of the second string, and then I go to the 4th fret of the 3rd string. So, and I'm playing like a C shape, but I'm leaving the A open, so it's a C6, right? So it's like that. And the picking pattern that you use for that can be whatever you want. I did something like a, or whatever that is. Alright guys, that's the lick of the day. Hopefully you like it. If you like this lesson, please hit that like button below. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Also, check me out on HawaiiMusicSchool.com, where I have lessons like this, and we go way more in depth, and we even learn songs and stuff. And right now, if you sign up, you can get 2 weeks for free. Hopefully I see you around, guys. Aloha.